Hello, my name is Sam and welcome to BrainTech. In this video, I will show you how to subscribe to someone on Instagram. To start, open your Instagram application in your mobile device. On Instagram, use the search bar this time, and then search for any other user that you want to subscribe to. It could be an artist or something that you're a big fan of. In here, I'll be searching for Tori.trades. Then I will tap on their profile. Then, I will wait for Instagram to finish loading. In here, there will be an option that says subscribe. All you have to do this time is to tap on the subscribe button. Again, all you have to do is to visit the profile and check if they have a subscribe option in their profile. And then, as you can see here, there will be a pop-up that will appear regarding their subscription. And that's it. Thank you very much for watching. Please leave a like, share, and subscribe to the channel.